Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the menu Desorption Kinetics modeling. This module was developed to fit models to the experimental data of desorption kinetics. Initially, it is necessary to prepare the sheet with the data. For this module, a sheet named data_desorption_kinetics is required, which should contain the time in column A and the respective concentration on the solid phase in column B. Now, close the spreadsheet and open the CAVS. Go to Kinetics and click on Desorption Modeling. For example, I will fit the following models: pseudo first order, pseudo second order, and pseudo n order. I will not change any of these settings. Select a model, and click on Load the data and Run. Then, select the spreadsheet with the experimental data and click on Open. For each model, a table will be generated summarizing the test results applied to the fit, the graph of the experimental data with the selected model, and the residual plot. Now, select the second model, click on Load the date and Run, and select the spreadsheet with the experimental data. When checking the plot, you can verify that the regression was not correct. To solve this problem, it is necessary to change the initial value for at least one model parameter. Click on pseudo second order. It is recommended to reduce the parameter value by 10 times per attempt. Click on Load the data and Run again, and select the spreadsheet. Check the results. Again, the regression was not correct. By reducing the value of the parameter again, now, the regression is correct. Now, let's try to fit the last model. And the regression is correct. Now that the initial values are correct for all desired models, select all models, and if you want to save the results, change this to Yes. Now that all the models have been fitted, we can check the full graph. And also, the table with the summarized results, which shows the model that was considered the probable better representation of the experimental data, using the chosen ranking function. To check the estimated values for each model, go to the spreadsheet that contains the experimental data. 3 sheets will be generated for each model. The first sheet will contain the estimated value for each model parameter, the results of the applied tests, the value of the ranking function, the calculated values for the goodness of the fit, and the experimental value and the predicted value by the model. In the second sheet will be the data used to plot the graphs. The third sheet will contain the values chosen by the user through CAVS. Also, a sheet with a table containing the summarized results will be created. The steps on the modules Adsorption Kinetics Modeling, Equilibrium Modeling, and Fixed Bed Adsorption Modeling are similar to those described in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.